Yeah, it takes a lot of setup time, but it's worth it once that's done.
Yeah, there's a little bit of onboarding. So another thing that a lot of entrepreneurs struggle with scaling is keeping track of the books, keeping track of the accounting and stuff like that.
Mhm.
How do you handle that? Do you use QuickBooks Online? Do you use an accountant? How do you manage that?
That's pretty much where we're at now is QuickBooks, and then you can import your invoices and things like that. Um, and that gives you, usually we have a rough understanding just based on our operating profit from that ad spend. But then it's factoring things like, your lease, if you bought shipping supplies, payroll, things like that. So QuickBooks is definitely, I think, one of the easier platforms to use.
So you don't use any kind of spreadsheets. It's all basically in QuickBooks.
Yeah, I was using spreadsheets before, but it just got kind of messy. I try to keep everything in QuickBooks now. Yeah, accounting still isn't where I want it to be. I'd say it's like 70% there, like reduced our freight costs in half. And what they are is they're basically like a huge Canadian e-commerce company, and you apply and then they open up their rates to you. So it's a free app and they just pad their shipping costs a little bit. But you can go in there and create, your bills of lading and everything like that, and just send it to the supplier. That's been our workaround for freight costs.